Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to make some Chana Masala. So let's jump right into it.
Let's start off with 2 tablespoons of ghee in the wok. Then, once melted, add your cumin seeds and leave them until they start popping. Having popped the cumin, add the onion and cook until slightly soft. Then, add your ginger garlic paste, but only cook for a few moments. A few moments have passed, so add your chili, turmeric, coriander and garam masala powders, making sure to coat the onion and cumin in these powders. Since everything's coated, add your tomatoes and now cook it on a medium heat until the curry becomes thick. During this time, make sure you've got your rice cooking so it's ready when the curry is done. While you're cooking down the tomatoes, add small amounts of water so it doesn't turn into a dry curry. With the tomatoes now cooked, add your chickpeas and don't forget to add the salt, like I almost forgot to. Continue to cook for around 5 minutes and then serve on a bed of rice with your choice of salad. Don't forget to garnish with fresh coriander. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make this chickpea curry with me today. Don't forget to like this video so YouTube knows you enjoy my content, along with subscribing for more kitchen goodness. And until next time, enjoy the kitchen.